Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia and her baby, her man, is out. Yes, they're out and they're enjoying nature. And nature is a good thing because it helps us to just feel free. And so she's out in nature having fun. Yes, and she seemed very, very happy. Now, this is a moment in her life that we are capturing here with her. We know that she's always been happy and jovial, but she's out in nature, enjoying the loveliness around her, the surrounding around her. So, guys, she was talking to her man, and they were running a little joke. She was saying, you know what, I'm going to leave you, and he was saying anywhere she is, he's going to find her. So they're having a little fun out there. Guys, you would like to go and catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say in this video. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I want to wish you love, peace, joy, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for my lovelies that are here always, and my new subscribers, I want to wish you a wonderful day. But guys, before you go, just remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you guys know about it. And guys, subscribe away, comment away, and remember to support Marcia in her business. Have a great day.
It is so cold. What am I doing? I'm outside taking some nature and chilling. Yes, my dear. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm chilling, honey. And it is cold. Ooh. I'm just relaxing. The nice Saturday, just relaxing. Spending some good quality time with nature. Yes, my dear. We're spending some good quality with nature. Yeah. No. We don't go take this a cool and a lager. He said it. We don't take this a cool and no lager. How the child does. Come here, shake. That is crazy. We don't take this a cool and lager. We so get up from here, so. Yes, my dear. What we're doing on this lovely Saturday. We're just here chilling. Enjoying a little bit of nature, honey. Nature. Yes. That's all. That is all. We enjoy a little bit of nature. Sometimes you need a little bit of quiet time. You understand? A little bit of chill out time. That's all. Yeah. You see? That's what it is. That's what. Look, you see this hand? Look for this hand right here. Stop it. Stop it. Look at this. So that's what we're doing. Just chilling. Lovely evening. Now we're just chilling. Yes, that's all. Yeah, man, just chilling and getting some nature. We're looking forward to the summer to just have some wonderful time, explore the city, and go to different nature looking places. Yes, my dear. But I tell you, so cool and long. I ask you. I tell you, so foot them shake. Jesus, my foot them is shaking, honey. It's shaking. Yes, my dear. My foot them shake. My foot is shaking. Shaking, 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 and shaking and shaking. And we're shaking and shaking and shaking and shaking. We got a beautiful sunny day here in England. But the evening, the weather change, get chilly. Right now it's chilly, I'm not taking it longer. It's chilly and I ain't taking it no longer, honey. We're just sitting by the water watching the ducks. We not take it no longer. Whether me have live blanket or live blanket not, it is still cold. Yes, my dear. This a live blanket now serve me no purpose right now. Outside is too big. So this a live blanket ain't doing nothing for me. You ain't doing nothing for me now. We need a little bit, we should have carry one little blanket. You know, little throw for you, when you go in a plane? That we should have carry. Not a robe. Just the little blanket. Because it's too cold. No, sir. Me not take this. No, sir. If you ever see how me I shape, this backside now walk. And a while ago, I want a robe. And a robe man at the blanket. Next time I carry the blanket with me. The weather's supposed to be a little better. Yes, so that's the thing. See, it's chilly. And you make me not carry my jacket out, take care. I said, time, young time, no fool. Eh? Me should have followed him. I was like, oh, it's not cold, you have on a sweater. But it's cold. Eh? Lucky to me, I have one little sitting down here. So what you guys doing? I'm here chilling. Yes. Chilling and shaking. That's exactly what I'm doing. Chilling and shaking. If you say if you walk, then it wouldn't be so cold. What are you guys doing? You know how to do the man friend? Eh? Taking a nice little stroll? Yes, that's enough to do. Take a nice little stroll with the man friend. That's all. It not take nothing. This ain't cost no money. This ain't cost no money, honey. This ain't cost no money. It's called quality time. Taking some time to get to know each other better and better. And if anything they from each other mind we have to say, the open ear is right here to say it. Your nature. That's all. If you want to break up with him and tell him, say, you're breaking up with I'm breaking up with you. What do you have to say about that? Me I break up with you. The last day you asked me, no. Me I break up with you. Yes. You want to break up with you? I'm breaking up with you. Wait a minute, business, if you not break up with me. Me I break up with you. Anywhere me there you'll find me. Me right. So you start me. Lord of His mercy. Dosa. No, me dear. Blouse and skirt. No, me not take this no longer. No, sir, me not take this no longer. It is chilly. This is what I want, a shot of white rum. Eh? Yeah. Yes, my dear. This need a shot of white rum. No, sir. This need a shot of white rum. Come on, babes. Me too cold. Me can't take this no longer. Let's go walk. We can't take this no longer. Come. No? All right. Did me left the key? We left the car key. Yes, my dear. We're just taking a little walk. Marcia is romantic, you know. Yeah. We're romantic. We walk and hold hand to, you know. So we're romantic. And so we now just... Hello. Sir. And then we look at Russian. I'm telling you, it look much better. It's much better when time you're not handing and you're walking each day. It's much better. It's much better when you're not sitting down. It's cold. Mighty goodness. You know it's not your fault. Because I should bring my jacket. It's your fault. Yeah, it's your fault. Hold my purse over at the hand there. Yeah, so that is what it is. It's very, very, very cold. It's windy. The sun is going, but it's windy. So how you know? See people having a scarf. Huh? We're not busy on the place with them, they're white people. Them no cool. There's something wrong with them blood. Something is wrong with their blood, honey. We're doing going to the chapel and we're...
That's what it feels like, right?
Yes. Somebody's gonna get married. Someone will. Aye. Yeah, we're going to the chapel. See chapel right over there. Uh-huh. Yeah, me dear, but anytime you cuss Marcia, Marcia, all right. At least Marcia, they say me ugly and me belly big. And me fat and me ugly and call me a kind of name. But me have one man, I walk with door, side of me. And when me I walk, people are called to me, said we. That means say, and see we are going right a chapel. Go and get married. Uh-huh. We go to chapel to get married. Yes, my dear. So, when you take me to that bad, so me can't walk with a man. When you take me look that bad at all. I saw one old man in the store. The man that talked to you for me. The man, when the man said, I go to the pharmacy to pick up something. And the man is 86 years old. Or 80 something. He born 1939. Because me ain't give the people him age. And me I said the man look good for his age. The man that talked to you for me. He said, this a little old man not easy, you know. Oh, 86. 86. He say, so I'm telling you, it's very beautiful. Very, very, very beautiful. And we're just going for a stroll. These are the things that I like, people. I don't, I'm not a fussy person. I just like to travel and like to do things and go out for dinner. But if me and you can go walk and just sit down in the park and lie down and hug up and smooch, like smooch and smooch. That's all. Me no gold digger. Me is a lover. Me no gold digger. Because me know what me can't find now, me can't find already. So, me not worry about that. So, as long as you give me my time and my attention, and what me require, I don't require much. You understand? These are the things that I love to do. You understand? And these don't cost money. For you to take your woman out of the house and go take a little walk. You see what I'm saying? These are the things. I know every day, also, you carry go go shopping. We know where we are from. We're not a millionaire. You understand? That's all. We don't have no millionaire, honey. So you don't have to worry about that. Me is not a gold digger. Me satisfy what me have. If you treat me good, me treat you good. If you treat me bad, you got to go. That's all. So we reach in life, you just go on with the flow. Respect you and treat you good. Now respect me, then you're going to have a problem. Then you got to go. That's all. That is it. That's all it is. I don't nothing. I don't nothing tell. Nothing. Not a big thing. These are nature. 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 I know, like in the spring. It's gonna be so beautiful. That's gonna be my favorite time. Take a walk. Yeah. My favorite time, and you take a walk. Mistake I make, I should have brought my, bring my jacket. You think I could have beat me now running? Eh? Yes, let me try. Let's just try. You're gonna give me a start? Really? Oh, yeah, okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so you give me, oh, yeah, sorry for me. You're going to give me a start.
Yeah, jump start. You
can
go. What?
Yeah. Yeah, give me a start.
All
right. Let me see.
That's not running, that's walking.
No, run fast, but let me see. No, sir. I say run. Well, me don't beat you now, but I because you skinny. And me don't have any proper sneakers. That's why you would beat me right down. But it's all right. Give me a few little months and contest me again. Let me get back some energy in my body. let's
I don't know, we can walk
let's see. I because you skinny.
You want
But just because you skinny, okay? I mean I have the proper sneakers. My sneakers are from foot. It's alright. But trust me, next time, give me more than a couple months. We take off a little weight. Give me a couple more weeks, a month, to do a little power walking. You understand? And get my cardio.
You still got to catch up.
Me still like it up to you? Is that right? And get my little cardio up and running. And then we see if he can beat me. Yes, he might test me. But he might go jump start because through him tall, that's why. Him foot them all go a little faster. That's all. That's all it is. You know, say. He look. You run fast. You see, me no fit it. A long time I don't look at dancing.
I can't reach so hard.
What about the business? Just backward for yourself. You understand? A little running what me do. Sometimes we need exercise. Yes, I don't need no exercise. I need exercise. You hear me talk about say a little running what me do. Yes, that means we need exercise. Him saying can't manage bolt. Do more of this one. Oh, me fi do more of this. Beautiful to watch. Well, if you don't want more of this, you must dash out like a star where star. You don't see nobody. Them on social media. I call me all kind of name. I wonder if I could have come for you back. You can come for me back? If you come, Marcia, you might go like in strong. You should come for you back. You like, no? Oh, so you want to something too heavy? Well, if you can't come for you back, then it's what we can be together because if me get sick, I need to camp on the back. That can't work. That cannot work, honey child. If him can, no matter how the woman big and fat, him supposed to carry me. Yeah, so me no business if you want to run 100 or 200. So I guess if you see one lion a come out of the bush, can you imagine how he get up left me? Me say, I see a video on a reel. One man going in water and I do a prank. I have one boyfriend and girlfriend sitting on the lakeside. When the little monster come out of the water, you know so the girl push the man in the river? The girl push the man in the river and run left. You know what I done with that girl, What I done with that girl, He push the girl. I saw you that do me. Me when I push you too. Right at the lakeside. Right at the lakeside, you know. Me say, the man is upon you. Me I go find it and share it. One little spranker. You going in the bush? Oh. Yeah. I'm telling you. So me I tell you say, I'm telling you say, me, the woman sit down nice and cozy on the side, on one bench. And the man jump out in our alien suit out of the water. The girl take the man after I told him hug up by the bench and give the man one push. Vloop over in the water. Me? Me not ask you. Me I tell you say. Me not do. So we have to know who not talk to. Who will rescue, you know? And who will talk beside, you know? That's why a lot of us, we are not going to go email, WhatsApp. Your parcel has been shipped. That's why we have to know who no talk to and who is going to stand up beside, you know. Because that is the time when your faith is going to be tested. You understand? Because we're not going to say, all right then, let us, go on in front of me, here. Let us, when